rate or ask rate?
Sorry, what was your question?
If you have
Yes.
$10,000, your rate would be bid or ask?
I mean, ask, right?
You want to buy.
Oh, then if I want to buy, then it's bid, obviously.
Okay, David said it is bid. Michael?
I say it's ask.
Isn't it looked from the perspective of the bank? So if I want to buy, bank will give me the ask rate.
You said ask.
Yeah, because bank is selling to me. I'm buying from bank.
Okay, Super Day?
Sorry, I didn't understand. We have $10,000 and we want to sell it.
Simple. We want to buy $10,000. What
we
rate
wanna
going to be given
buy.
to us?
You said
Ask.
we have $10,000, sir. At the
By
very start.
buying, you want to buy.
I want to buy $10,000 from the bank. So it's ask because the bank is selling me.
Okay. David, now you tell me it's a bid rate or ask rate.
Depends on the perspective. What perspective do you ask from?
Good answer. Very nice. The perspective is yours perspective or dealer's perspective?
Yes, that's what I'm asking.
Wrong, David. Absolutely wrong. So bid and ask are always with respect to dealer. It's not depends on someone else's perspective. It depends on always dealer's perspective or bank's perspective or the seller's perspective. Right? So no matter
Yes.
if you want to buy or sell, you always have to look the dealer perspective. If you want to buy, it means dealer will sell you, right? So if you want to buy, so you will go to the window of ask window. And if you want to sell your $10,000, you will go to bid window of the dealer. You will say that, okay, I want to sell my dollars. It means dealers are purchasing your dollars. So for dealers, it is buying. So yes, it means bid mean buying, ask means selling, but the perspective is dealer's perspective, not someone else or depends on whatsoever. No, that's all wrong. Dealer's perspective, right? So that is very important. Let's move forward. So gain from locational arbitrage are based on the amount of money that you used. If you invest 10,000, your profit will be according to 10,000. If you invest $1 million, your profit will be according to $1 million, right? According to the money and the size of the discrepancy. So every arbitrage, whether it is interest covered arbitrage, whether it is locational, whether it is triangular, all arbitrages, they realign the market. So realignment due to the locational arbitrage drives the prices to adjust in different locations so as to eliminate all the discrepancies. So we have a very nice illustration here, and let's do that. We have North Bank, we have South Bank, and they have quoted what they are selling and buying the rates of New Zealand dollar. The bid rate is 0.635, ask rate is 0.640. I think I should do it in a white screen. Let me just write it down on my notes. Or I think I can, yeah. Share with you the whiteboard? Yes, that would be very nice. And I can also see the question here. Can you see a whiteboard here? David, Nicola.
Yes.
Okay, please guys do
Yes, sir.
participate. We have North Bank. We have North Bank. We have South Bank. And both have the course of New Zealand dollar, bid and ask, bid and ask. 0.635, 0.640, 0.645, 0.650. So these are on two different locations. Okay, how can you make profit? And always remember that ask is always greater than bid. Okay, yes, that is universal rule. Let me erase this. Now, so do you see something discrepancies here? North Bank and South Bank.
We can buy from North Bank and sell to South Bank.
Very nice. Very nice, Sipade. Good. Did everybody understand that? What is
Yes.
the profit strategy? Buy low, sell high. So if you buy from South Bank, you will be given which rate? Ask rate, right? And if you want to sell it to the North Bank, you will be given bid rate. So this strategy is not attractive. What if we buy from North Bank and sell it? When we buy, North Bank will give us ask rate. When we sell to the South Bank will give us the bid rate. And how much is the profit here? Sell and buy, right? So buy low, sell high. $0.005 is the profit. And that profit depends on size of money as well. If you invested $10,000, you would be given $50 profit. If that is 100 million, no, that depends on the size of the investment as well, right? That's what they are saying. Let me just cancel it. Let's go to the slide again, right? So what is the strategy here? Because they are selling New Zealand and buying New Zealand dollar, and the rate is given in dollars. So how you can make profit? You can take your dollars, for example, let's just simplify this. $10,000. You can go to the Northern Bank. You can say that, look, I need New Zealand dollars, right? And you buy New Zealand dollar. How much New Zealand dollar you will receive? Right? You would be receiving, let me just calculate it. It's 10,000 divided by 0.640. It's 15,625 New Zealand dollar. Immediately you take those dollars and you go to the South Bank. This is the age of internet. You can just sell it on your computer screen, log on to South Bank, and you just say that, look, I want to sell my New Zealand dollars. They are dealing with New Zealand dollar. What is the rate? They want to buy with you. How much? At 0.645, right? So these are your New Zealand dollars. And how much dollars you will receive? You multiply with this 645. 6.
Sir,
You will get, answer would be 10078, right? So $78 you just earn by what? By on just 2 clicks in matter of seconds, right? Now questions, David, please ask.
I mean, that's not a real life case, is it?
That is a real life case.
Yes, I think this is the real
But
life case.
in
But the problem is
I've never
you
seen
have.
such a... Nicola, please finish.
Sorry. What I think is like you need $10,000 to earn $78, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's too much to invest. Understand? You
That's
have to have
talking about
$10,000 in the pocket in cash to have $78. So if you compare 10,000 to 78, it's too small, the profit.
but look at the size here. You just earned it in 2 seconds.
I know, I agree with you, but if you compare, sir, 10,000,
Yes.
$10,000 is too much money. $10,000 is a car.
Now
It can fluctuate very fast. To earn just $78, I don't know. I pass.
why am I?
To me, it's too risky. Comparing the profit and the amount that I have to invest, I prefer stay. No.
Sir,
Yes.
I mean, as far as I can see, at least that's how it works in Russia and other places I've been to.
Mm-hmm.
All the banks in local areas are somehow interconnected, and they make sure that they're bid and
David,
ask.
pay close attention to the word. Sorry. Locational arbitrage. It's not the local area. For example, if you talk about
Oh,
China, in China, right? For example, Shanghai and Shenzhen. Not in Shanghai. Of course, in Shanghai, everybody is connected. In Shanghai and in Hong Kong, right? Or maybe in Russia or maybe in America. If you are dealing with the same currency, you want to buy NZ. That's why it's talk about international arbitrage. International arbitrage, buddy. It's not like your local area. International arbitrage.
but still, if you go
See?
if
International
you go
arbitrage.
internationally,
But my question is here, Nicola. Your question is very valid. $10,000 is huge money and you're earning 78.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
the definition says it's risk less profit. Buddy, you have no risk. Just 2 seconds. You can even ask to the bank, give me